Dipali. Welcome to the DC show. Today we have with us our two fantastic actors, Jeenal Belani and Bhomik Sampath. How are you guys?
All super good.
Yes. Tell me something. What did you guys do during the lockdown?
See, the best part about the lockdown is I'm here because of the lockdown. So she was making a web series called as Tu and Who, Tu and Who. Sorry. So she offered me a appearance in that thing, and when I started.
Hi, I am Dipali. Welcome to the DC show. Today we have with us our two fantastic actors, Jeenal Belani and Bhomik Sampath. How are you guys?
All super good.
Yes. Tell me something. What did you guys do during the lockdown?
See, the best part about the lockdown is I'm here because of the lockdown. So she was making a web series called as Tu and Who, Tu and Who. Sorry. So she offered me a appearance in that thing, and when I started doing it, I loved doing a Gujarati series, and because of that I'm here today. So મને તો મજા જ આવી. Whatever happened. હવે બધાએ વાત કરી દીધી છે એના બારામાં. So let's talk something else. So this is what my take on the lockdown was.
For me, it was actually unlockdown. These things I was planning since long. I wanted to write, I wanted to create things, but I was not able to do it. So because we all got so much time, I could do it. So I'm very happy about it. So I'm glad this happened, the lockdown happened.
Nice. Now that you guys have done web series already, so I would just want to know, during this lockdown or in general, do you think web series and the web content has given new life to the actors?
Definitely yes. See, now it's a very simple medium for the audience, as television was. Still television is. But એમાં શું થઈ જાય છે that everybody has an access to everything in their probably the comfort zone what they are watching. તો બહુ સિમ્પલ થઈ ગયું છે બધા માટે, and everybody who is a film producer or a filmmaker are coming towards web series and making contents right now. You see any OTT platform has something around 10 to 12 releases in 1 month. જે પહેલા હતું જ નહીં. Everybody had this big picture वाली thing. Even I was in that zone કે film ही बनाना है. But now I think we are getting into the zone that the OTT is doing everything possible.
OTTs were lifesaver, I feel, during the lockdown. Otherwise, लोगों ने time केवल इतना spend था. Like if a normal household would have just one TV or maybe two TVs, and there's so many people. What if everybody wants to see different things? So I think it saved people's lives.
Yeah, so now everybody has a television screen in front of them.
Yeah.
You watch whatever you like to.
Correct. How has it changed your life in general, guys? Like, you've been there on OTT platforms because of one or two web series.
A few series worked really well, so it changed. So if films would have worked that well, my life would have changed. But in my case, the series worked better than my films.
For me, the whole industry has changed.
Correct.
So coming from the Hindi medium to the Gujarati medium is just because of that series what I did in the lockdown Tu and Who. Otherwise, I had no plans coming here. But my life has drastically changed. And here what we're shooting right now as well, the web series, we are trying to make it as a film thing and not the web series thing. Chote budget mein bada production. This is what we trying to do.
Very nice. That's quite mindful. Chote budget mein bada production. But are these roles different from the roles that you've ever done or something on those lines?
Yes.
What are these roles like?
Till now, I have done just passed out college boy who's an engineer in my first film. The second film was I was playing a cop. Third was the anti-hero thing. This is something else. I always want to do something with a family thing. Everybody loves their parents. I am one of them. So I always used to like Bagban. Bagban was and is my.
But this is funny Bagban, dude.
And this is a funny Bagban where the father and son do not get along well. But it's not that koi ghar chhodine jai chhe, I don't want to stay with you, something like that. He knows he is his father. Ena sathe jene rehwanu chhe. So how they do, my equation with my father is the same. That we would probably say if my father is eating kuch कहीं नीचे पड़ी जाए तो I would just see and he'll just see me again and just smile. हाँ ठीक છે ને ખાઉં છું બરાબર. So this is all no joke what is happening throughout the day in probably my life or many people's life, father and son. This is what the story is all about, and the character is totally what I wanted to do. And when I read it, I said this is tailor made.
Because I had you in mind જ્યારે develop કરવાની વાત આવી ને, I thought he will be like really good for this character. So I kind of knew how he talks. એની અમુક particular વસ્તુઓ છે, like કેલું, અરે I just had કેલા, ગુજરાતીમાં કેલું બોલે.
I just realized કેડું હોય.
હા.
That's what I said. There's no ana. There's ada in Gujarat.
Yeah. So એવું બધું I kind of liked it, like આના ઓલામાં એકદમ typical બોમ્બેયા thing છે જે અહીંયા બહુ સારી રીતના ફિટ થશે. અને મારું અલગ છે, હું પોળની છોકરી પ્લે કરી રહી છું. I've never played અમદાવાદની લોકલ છોકરી ક્યારે પણ. તો yeah, I'll try to.
Okay, so something about working with each other.
See, first of all, she made me comfortable in Gujarati. She taught me many things कि आ वस्तु आने बोला है, आ वस्तु आने बोला. So she made changes in the script as well. कि like if I say बंदोबस्त, technically it is बंदोबस्त. आप बंदोबस्त करवानो है, तो it's not बंदोबस्त, it is व्यवस्था. So automatically things change, and she taught me. So here probably if I am sitting here is because of her.
Yeah, I was actually looking forward because જ્યારે તું અને હું અમે બનાવી રહ્યા હતા, at that time he would be the first one to send because lockdownમાં બન્યું હતું, તો બધા actors પોતાનું શૂટ કરે, અમને મોકલે, પછી અમે જોઈએ, પછી if there any changes તો એ પાછું એ લોકો મોકલે. બીજા બધાને કહેવામાં બી ઓડ લાગતું હતું ને, એવું બી અચ્છા ઠીક કરકે દેતા હું. અને અમે લોકોએ લખ્યું હતું તો પણ અમારી પહેલાં અમે જસ્ટ જેવી સ્ક્રિપ્ટ મોકલીએ ને અડધો કલાકમાં આવી જાય વિડીયો. સો એટલું બધું enthusiasm I saw.
તો બડા સાથી એટલા દિવસ કામ હતું નહીં. So I said let's do it.
I looked at it as enthusiasm.
It was that. Yeah. I was just joking.
So I am more interested and curious to know how are you guys shooting it, because it's the times are weird, the circumstances are really tough.
Yeah. See, you have all the guidelines. If you go to the police station for the permission, you have the guidelines, and everything is written in the guidelines. Ki only the actors can remove the mask when they are in front of the camera. Besides that, every crew has to have masks, sanitizers are there, the temperature gun is there, and social distancing is probably our thing to do. You can't probably tell anybody to stand there. Pote karo.
So more questions for you, Bhaumik. So how is the makeshift change for now that you've moved, not really moved, but then you're staying here? So how is it different from Mumbai, and in terms of work?
Nothing is different. Everything. My whole crew probably is from Mumbai, and we all are working towards making a good product rather than a Gujarati or a Hindi thing. See, filmmaking is filmmaking any which ways, whatever you make. So everything, nothing has changed, only the language has changed. Besides that, what we are doing is particularly what if we'll make a Bollywood film, we'll make something like this. If we're making a web series, we'll be making like this.
Very
so no changes at all.
Great. What are your expectations from this web series? You think it will have a good, you have an instinct that if this is going to work out, if this is not going to work out. Did you guys go out, speak to a lot of people about this script? How?
Yeah, script તો starting થી જ જેટલું બી લખતી જાઉં, I have few people around who I feel અને બધા અલગ અલગ જગ્યાના છે, like people who I consider who are typical audience, જે લોકો ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીના બી છે, people who write અને જેના સેન્સિબિલિટીઝ પર મને ટ્રસ્ટ છે. મેં બધાને લૂપમાં રાખ્યા હતા when I was developing. કંઈક લખું પછી એ લોકોને કહું, સંભળાવું. સો એટલું મેં મારી રીતના કર્યું છે.
Nice. Something about social media, because there's a lot happening, because that's the only medium that you're connected with your fans and connected with more brands itself as well. But as soon as you post, there are fan following, there are people. So do you really get bothered when you get trolled or when you have memes on your self? So how do you really relate with it? But have you guys had a sleepless night because of it or something like that?
No, not at all. I had this one meme of my first film which was in a good sense, and yeah, I was loving that attention that time. But I'm not that into it. If I'm posting something, if I post, see, everybody has an opinion. Let them do whatever they want to write. It's okay.
Yeah,
I don't
even for
bother at
me, when I entered, I knew કે આવું બધું થશે જ, because you are in public eye. અને તમારી પર્સનલ લાઈફ પર નહીં થાય તો તમારા કામ ઉપર પણ થઈ શકે છે. પીપલ માઇટ સે યુ આર નોટ અ ગુડ એક્ટર ઓર લાઈક बहुत गंदा एक्टिंग किया ये कर. तो इट्स ओके इफ आई नो व्हाट आई एम, इफ आई डोंट फील બધા શું વિચારે છે. ઇટ્સ લાઈક ધેટ.
So Jinal and Bhumik, this is a such bowl wherein you have to answer all the 5 chits and answer truthfully. Such bolna hai. You guys can pick up respectively, and whosoever will pick up, both of you guys have to answer. Okay. Yeah, please.
Are you single? Yes. Yeah, chalo.
Totally.
Yeah.
Simple question.
You guys were so happy to get this question.
Because I was just scared क्या निकलेगा.
So happily single, I can see it on their face.
I'm really happy.
Facebook पे लिखना बाकी रह गया. Besides that, everything is sorted.
Pick up another one.
What's your biggest screw up in the kitchen?
मेरा तो रोज होते रहता है. और ऐसे गुजराती में एक ऐसा बोलते हैं हीरा ना हाथ से वो मम्मी के, because I don't know कहीं भी करूँ पड़ी जाए हाथ मारी. I really try कि ना.
Basically you have butterfingers. Everything has to, everything has to fall fun.
हाँ, everyday thing છે. कहीं ना कहीं कम पड़ी जाए.
Not my question, but I don't go to the kitchen. I don't make anything.
Come on,
but
come on, मेरा post जो वैसे बता रहा.
अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ. आगे तो बोलने दो. So during the lockdown, everything we had to manage ourselves. So me, my father, and my mother. So utensils, washing was my thing. So I did it for 5, 7, 10 days, and I could see the difference. So finally I thought, let me get gloves. So I went, I bought that. I gave it to my mom. कि भाई पेरी ने करवानो. I did. So that thing is so what do you say,
slippery हो एकदम. हाँ.
That every कांच का bowl what I wash, I have broken it. So that probably would be the thing. But while making anything, the preparation, I can cook as well. And I do not mess up things. So nothing screwed up about anything in the kitchen. I can manage stuff.
Nice. Jinal, your turn.
Would you or have you ever dated a fan?
नहीं यार, I have a very boring life otherwise also. So, oh my god, wow.
Who later on became a fan. You fan zoned her.
I've not done that much work, yeah, so I don't know. Nothing as such related to this question.
Both of you have gone red. What is this?
No, I was thinking possible. Then you came up with a question. Then you came up with a question कि कोई बाद में fan बन गया तो फिर सारे बन गए.
That's what you want to think. Let's keep it like that.
कि कौन ऐसे ही चला गया था या कौन fan बन के रख के गए.
Said always, hey, good work. Kept in touch.
In Gujarati में सेज तकलीफ છે આ question માં सेज तकलीफ.
All right, pick up the next.
What's the most useless talent you have?
It's talent, but it's useless. No good.
हाँ. I can write with both the hands. And I can write ulta also. Like mirror effect वाला. हाँ, वो एकदम और अच्छा लिखती हूँ. एकदम fast भी लिख सकती हूँ. Mirror effect.
So how is that useless? You can always make a video out of it and earn a lot of views. Maybe get known for that, or maybe get asked for a lot of events for that. Ambidextrous.
My useless talent is I can't do anything like this.
No, but something.
No, probably I utilize everything. अगर talent है तो उसको utilize करो. नहीं है तो छोड़ दो.
But ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ तुमने छोड़ दी है करके जो लगा कि useful नहीं है?
कुछ तो होगा.
Probably singing. I can sing, but I think actor is a better option.
Like there are a lot of singers out there. Like why disturb all of that?
सबका घर चलना चाहिए.
Let's keep it that way.
सबका घर चलना चाहिए.
Okay, one last.
Thank you. Mumbai or Ahmedabad? Mumdabad.
Mumbai via Ahmedabad.
Nice.
See, I am in love with Ahmedabad. to be very frank, but Mumbai is where I was born and brought up, and I still
Okay,
stay
so
there.
I'll make
Simplify it
Yeah.
a bit.
So love and career.
Again, even this is tricky.
simplified.
Even this is tricky.
I
Why can't I do Gujarati and Hindi film as well? Or probably what we can do is let's shoot a Hindi film in Ahmedabad.
Nice. Huh.
So let's keep it
There
like
have
this.
been a lot of Gujarati Hindi films as
See,
well.
Mumbai, I already have a house.
You
Ahmedabad,
guys
I want to buy a
you
house.
guys don't have to be diplomatic. That's the whole point.
No, because see, I love, as I told you, even before the camera was rolling, I said I am in love with the city. So, but I can't even deny that Mumbai is where the base is,
Where the heart is.
where the heart is.
See, so the love is there, and career got you here.
Yes.
Yeah.
For you.
मेरा धीरे धीरे love change हो रहा है towards Ahmedabad on a very serious note. I love Mumbai. I'm born and brought up there, but like the धीरे धीरे I've started coming here, and I'm liking the vibes that this city has, and so everything is balanced here. Like, so I appreciate that fact that if you stay here, a little bit of everything in your plate. So I like it. I like this calm and composedness that the city brings inside me. So yeah.
All right. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for all your time and energy. This was one of the best interviews here.
Hi guys, if you have liked this video,
Do like, share, and subscribe.